Here we are for another session of Garage Talk presented by Shannons. Now, you guys have got the most unique cars of the weekend that I've seen so far. You got a his and hers. Well, why don't you tell me about it? These are cool.
Yeah, they're 1923 T-buckets.
Yes, so it's mine, 1923 T-bucket. Mine's got a 384 Chev in it. 383 Chev, sorry.
A typical woman, she always wants that little bit more. 383 is not enough, I want more.
And it's got a Jag rear end in it, and yeah, we've had that car for about 9 years, and yes, it's mine, and I love driving it, and yeah, have lots of fun.
So, where the idea of his and hers rods come from?
Well, I had mine first, and we done a fair bit of work to it and mucked around, and one day we were at a show where you could drive around. She asked if she could drive it. Hence, 2 weeks later, this magazine showing up at home looking for one.
Ah, so she got the bug, and next thing you know, you're caught, and you've got the his and hers. Well, if there's ever a separation, at least it's easy to divide the assets now, isn't it?
Well, no, that's not going to happen. Don't forget that one's in my name too, so, you know, what can I say?
Oh, so they're his and hers, but they're both yours.
Yep, that's about right.
What's mine is mine, and what his is mine too.
That's right.
So how long did the build take?
Okay, so those cars were built back in the 70s,
Wow.
and we got hold of them and we rebuilt them again.
Okay. So tell us a bit about the spec. Yours is a 383 as well?
No, mine's a 434 Cube, Windsor, Cleveland.
You guys don't muck around and do things by halves, do you?
No, we don't.
And there's no point asking the question on suck or blow, because you obviously prefer to be blown.
Story goes, mate, if you're not blown, you're not known.
There you go. So tell us a bit about the supercharger on it.
Yeah, mine runs an 871 supercharger with 12-pound boost. Susie runs a 671 with 6-pound boost.
You guys seriously aren't mucking around. What's the horsepower?
Well, that's undisclosable.
Necessarily, you got those big tyres on the back for a very good reason.
Yeah, they're useless too.
So what do you like about it, Susie? Tell us about how you love driving these things.
Oh, I just think on lovely days like today, they're great to have out. We love coming to events like this one. We love to have the kids in the car as well, take people for cruises around. It's just fun to go out and enjoy yourselves. Yeah.
So whereabouts do the kids sit?
No kids.
Alongside.
There's not a back compartment for them. You can't just open the boot and put them in and close it down again?
No, that doesn't happen.
No. So what do you think about the Cooley Rocks event this weekend?
Oh, look, we've had a ball. We come up here for an annual holiday as well, so you know, it's great to see the sun shining. The cruise last night was fantastic. The crowds have been wonderful, so you know, I think they've done a fantastic job, and well done to them.
And how far did you travel from?
We're from Lake Macquarie, Newcastle.
Oh, you'd be loving the weather up here, wouldn't you?
Loving it.
It's all good. We're not going to give it to you. You've got to leave it here when you go, okay?
Yeah, all right.
No worries.
As long as it's here next year.
No, we'll always lay it on. Look, thanks very much for your time, guys. They are beautiful, beautiful cars. Just saw them last night, went gaga over it, and went his and hers as well. What a great way to stop the arguments and have a bit of